Have you thought about the expense behind each journey of this magnificent cruiser? And how can a cruise cost over $1 million per day to run huge cruise ships when each cruiser pays only $100 daily? Have you ever wondered what it takes to run one of the world's largest cruise ships? How does this floating city, big cruises, accommodate over 6,000 passengers every week? How can a cruise possibly cost over $1 million a day to run when passengers pay just a fraction of that for their tickets? Are you guys interested in the financial household of a cruise company? Let's unveil the magic. Imagine navigating a floating city that spans the length of nearly 4 football fields over 20 decks. This behemoth of a vessel offers an astonishing array of amenities, including multiple swimming pools, theaters, gourmet restaurants, high-speed internet connectivity, an ice skating rink, a zip line, and even a full-scale water park. It's no wonder that the many ships has earned its reputation as one of the most sought-after cruise experiences worldwide. However, the magic of this colossal ship goes beyond mere amenities. It takes an incredibly dedicated crew, consisting of thousands of skilled professionals, to ensure that every aspect of the journey is seamless and enjoyable. Hello, friends. We're all set to dive into a sea of fun learning. Don't miss out. If you're enjoying this, click like and subscribe to join us for more exciting trips. Don't miss the boat. Welcome to Ship Insights. Today, we're setting sail on an extraordinary voyage, delving deep into the secrets of running a majestic cruise ship that costs a whopping $1 million a day to operate. From the captain and officers who navigate through challenging waters to the chefs who prepare delectable culinary masterpieces, each member of the crew plays a vital role in creating unforgettable memories for the passengers. Behind the luxurious experience lies the intriguing world of logistics and operational planning. The seas requires an intricate coordination of resources to provide top-notch services while sailing smoothly. Fueling this floating city is a logistical challenge in itself, with enormous fuel tanks holding thousands of gallons of fuel to power the ship on its transoceanic voyages. Moreover, maintaining such an impressive vessel is no small feat. Regular maintenance and inspections are carried out to ensure the ship remains in peak condition, adhering to strict safety standards. These maintenance operations are meticulously performed in massive onboard workshops equipped with state-of-the-art tools and equipment. Preparing for the journey. The countdown begins as ships readies for a new voyage. Witness the hustle and bustle at the port of Miami, where trucks unload hundreds of pallets of fresh inventory, including tons of food, beverages, and supplies. Can you fathom the monumental effort it takes to accomplish this feat? The provisioning process goes beyond just food and beverages. Countless other supplies, ranging from toiletries to cleaning products, are loaded onto the ship to ensure a seamless and luxurious experience for the guests. It's like restocking a floating city, readying it for another week of adventure on the high seas. But this remarkable undertaking comes with a price. The cost of provisions and logistics for a single turnaround day skyrockets to over $500,000. As you embark on this awe-inspiring journey, keep in mind the vast resources needed to sustain such an enormous ship and the unforgettable experiences that lie ahead. Navigation and engine control. Step into the nerve center of high seas, the bridge, and the engine control room. Here, a team of skilled professionals orchestrates the vessel's every move. The bridge team, with its advanced navigational systems and experienced officers, ensures a safe and smooth course through the oceans. Meanwhile, in the engine control room, the heart of this floating city beats vigorously. Large cruise ships boasts not one, not two, but 6 massive engines, each generating immense power. The ship's bow thrusters and electric azipod propellers add to its maneuverability, allowing it to dock gracefully and explore even the most remote destinations. With all this power, one might wonder how much fuel it gulps during its voyages. Brace yourself, for a week-long cruise, the cost of fuel alone soars over $300,000. It's the price the ship pays for the freedom to sail across the seas, offering you an unforgettable experience that blends luxury with the thrill of adventure. The Masterful Culinary team. Extraordinary culinary brigade consisting of over 1,000 highly skilled chefs, sous chefs, pastry chefs, and a formidable array of support staff. This dedicated team represents a multitude of cultures and cuisines, each professional lending their unique flavor and expertise to the culinary melting pot on board. The mission of this team is straightforward, yet incredibly challenging to tantalize the taste buds of the ship's passengers with a dizzying array of culinary delights. To turn every meal into an experience, a memory that lingers far longer than the taste on the tongue. From the first taste of morning coffee to a midnight dessert indulgence, the gastronomic journey on the high seas is an integral part of the overall cruising adventure. Each day, this culinary battalion rises to the challenge of preparing an astonishing number of meals, over 30,000. They masterfully serve up a cornucopia of cuisines that caters to the diverse palates of international passengers. Picture yourself in one of the elegant main dining rooms, where you can feast on a perfectly cooked Chateaubriand, a delicate lobster bisque, or an artfully crafted vegan entree. Or imagine a casual day by the poolside, where you can indulge in an array of international street foods, from Mexican tacos to Italian gelato and more. The logistics of feeding thousands of guests every day are mind-boggling, and the cost is equally staggering. To maintain these high-quality dining experiences, the cruise incurs a jaw-dropping expense of approximately $700,000 per week. But the smiles on passengers' faces and the joy of savoring delectable dishes make it all worthwhile. What would be your dream meal to enjoy on a cruise of this magnitude? Tell us in the comment. Waste management. As the large cruise ship sails through pristine waters, it upholds its commitment to sustainability and responsible waste management. Behind the scenes, a state-of-the-art waste processing system operates diligently, ensuring that no garbage is discharged into the ocean. Crew members play a crucial role in this eco-conscious endeavor, carefully separating recyclables and managing food waste through an advanced hydroprocesso. This innovative technology reduces the ship's environmental footprint and fosters a deep sense of responsibility towards the oceans and marine life. However, going green doesn't come without costs. The weekly expense of maintaining this top-notch waste management system exceeds $50,000. It's a price the cruise willingly pays to preserve the beauty of the seas and make your voyage an environmentally friendly one. Live shows and performers. Prepare to be dazzled as we delve into the world of live entertainment aboard of the large cruise ships. This floating oasis is home to a troupe of immensely talented performers, ranging from awe-inspiring acrobats to skilled athletes. With a rigorous schedule, they deliver not just one or two, but 8 captivating shows every week. The stage becomes their playground as they astound audiences with breathtaking aerial displays, high-energy performances, and heartwarming theatrical acts. A dedicated team supports these talented artists, ensuring that the shows go on seamlessly. But the price of such captivating entertainment is significant, adding up to approximately $200,000 per week. As you immerse yourself in the wonder of live performances, remember the hard work and resources that make these moments possible. Water treatment and energy efficiency. Out on the open sea, access to fresh water is essential for survival. Large cruise ships boast advanced water treatment systems that purify wastewater above federal standards. This incredible feat produces a staggering 150,000 liters of drinkable water every hour, all sourced from the surrounding seawater. Moreover, the cruise embraces energy-efficient technologies to minimize its environmental impact and reduce fuel consumption. This commitment to sustainability not only preserves the pristine ocean environment, but also enhances the efficiency of this floating city. However, maintaining such cutting-edge systems incurs significant expenses. Each week, the cost to ensure this sustainable voyage amounts to around $100,000. The investment is a testament to the cruise's dedication to providing you with a magical experience while safeguarding the wonders of the ocean for generations to come. Crew life. Beyond the grandeur and luxury lies the bustling heart of cruise ships, the crew quarters. Here, a vibrant community of crew members from around the world lives and works together, creating a close-knit family away from home. Life on board is a unique blend of hard work and camaraderie, as the crew members go the extra mile to ensure your every need is met. With 2 crew members sharing a cabin, they form strong bonds during their contracts, forging friendships that last a lifetime. To support the well-being of these hard-working individuals, the cruise spares no expense. The weekly cost to provide crew amenities and accommodations exceeds $150,000. It's a testament to the cruise's commitment to the welfare of its crew, who play an integral role in making your journey a remarkable one. Conclusion. As our maritime journey comes to an end, we hope you've enjoyed this exclusive behind-the-scenes look at the large cruise ships, revealing the incredible efforts and costs involved in running a massive cruise ship, with daily expenses ranging from $50,000 to $1 million, from sustainable waste management to the masterful culinary team, and from awe-inspiring entertainment to the efficient water treatment processes. Every aspect of this floating city is carefully orchestrated to provide passengers with unforgettable experiences. So, get ready to uncover more captivating behind-the-scenes stories in our next video, where we'll embark on new adventures, exploring the wonders of the world from the comfort and safety of luxurious cruise ships. Don't miss the chance to be part of our exclusive journey. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming travel explorations. Thank you for watching, and remember, the adventure never ends, so don't miss the boat.